Wow, I really dropped the ball on this one. It's been quite a few days to get through these 40 days, which I thought would take 40 days, and it's now looking like it's going to take 80 days. But we shall see. So here we go. With that thought in mind, let's do a quick draw of one, and we'll see how this feeling of dropping the ball. This is my intention. What do I need to forgive? What do I need to change my mindset? So, uh, let's see. This is the self worth card. I love and see beauty in myself. I am respectful. I need to be respectful to myself even when I drop the ball, and recognize that sometimes life can get in the way and go different directions from what we had originally intended, and we just go with that flow. But let's look at the back here. I forgive myself for believing that I have to please others in order to be valued. Well, yep, that plays right into this because I dropped the ball on getting these videos out, the 40 days of forgiveness. And I need to do it because I chose to do it not to please others in order to be valued. So, next is I am valued when I am authentic and true, and I am being straight up and authentic. I dropped the ball. And I am free to be honest with myself and others. That I will remember to give to you my true, authentic self. I can say these again with my hand over my belly, supporting that area of my body that those statements are connected to. And it's been a while since I have used an aromatic as well, so I dropped the ball on that. And where do I need to let go? That is a good question for me to journal on, because obviously there's some things that got in the way, and do I need to let go of distractions, or is this a distraction I'm committed to doing? I put this down as a thing I'm committed to do, and I will fulfill my 40-day commitment to myself that I made. But are there things that are distracting me that I need to let go of to make that come in more clearly so that I can accomplish this goal that I set in a better way, which has really helped me to understand myself in doing this and where I fall short, where I do need to let things go, where I need to readjust. So, thank you for sticking with me this far. We're halfway, almost there. Now let's listen to the video and see if I can get some inspiration and a little pep talk here. So here's the video. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. Respect the choices of others, even if they are different from your own. Respect yourself by being honest and true to who you are. Disaster occurs when we offer out a fake version of ourselves. All right, that was beautiful. I offer to you my authentic version. This card deck has been a huge blessing to me. I have learned more about myself in creating this and offering it to people, really moving me forward in knowing who I am, what I want to offer to the world. So I hope you can have the same experiences. Go get this deck, play around with it. It has been marvelous for me, and I hope it is for you too. Thanks.